In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Dropbox support, a process that, believe it or not, can be completed in just about 5 minutes if you follow these simple, straightforward steps. Let's begin by navigating to Dropbox.com. This is the starting point for many solutions related to Dropbox, whether you're looking to upgrade your storage plan, share files with colleagues, or, as in our case today, seek support. Once you're there, take your time to scroll down through the web page. You're looking for an option that says Contact Us. It might not jump right out at you, given all the information on the site, so be sure to scroll all the way down until you find it. After locating the Contact Us link, give it a click. This will take you to a new page where Dropbox consolidates their support options. It's designed to streamline your path to getting the help you need, so you're not left navigating a maze of irrelevant information. Here you'll notice another link labelled Contact Customer Support. Clicking on this specific link is crucial because it directs you away from the general FAQs and guides you towards personalised assistance. Whether your issue is technical, billing related, or something else entirely, this is where you begin the process of resolving it. Next, you'll come to a point where Dropbox will ask you to log in. This step is vital because it helps Dropbox understand who you are and what services or plans you are currently using. This information allows them to tailor their support specifically to your needs and account specifics. So go ahead and click on Login. Many users today appreciate the convenience of not having to remember another password, and Dropbox supports this preference by offering an option to continue with Google. If your Dropbox account is linked to your Google account, this feature not only simplifies the login process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account access. If that applies to you, click on the Continue with Google option. Once you're logged in, you'll need to describe what you're contacting Dropbox support about. Dropbox provides a variety of options to help categorize your concern. It's important to select the options that most closely align with your issue. Take a moment to think about what you're experiencing or what you're confused about, and make the selections that best describe your situation. This step is incredibly important because it ensures that your request is directed to the support team member who is most equipped to help you. For instance, if you're having difficulty accessing your account, you'd want to direct your request to a support specialist who understands account access issues deeply. The same goes for billing inquiries, technical glitches, or questions about using features within Dropbox. It's worth noting that the level of support you receive can also depend on the type of Dropbox account you have. Free users have access to basic support, but if you're subscribed to a paid plan, you may have access to more direct or expedited support options. Keep that in mind as you navigate the support process, and make sure to utilize the benefits that come with your subscription level. And there you have it, the step-by-step process to email Dropbox support distilled into an easy-to-follow guide. Remember, the key here is to provide as much relevant information as possible when you contact support. This includes the type of device you're using, any error messages you've received, and a clear, concise description of the problem. The more context you can provide, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and address your issue effectively. Lastly, while you wait for a response from the Dropbox support team, it might be helpful to browse through the Dropbox Help Center or community forums. Often other users have faced similar issues, and their resolutions are documented in these forums. It's a great way to possibly find an immediate solution to your problem, or to learn more about how to get the most out of Dropbox. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to email Dropbox support. Whether you're troubleshooting a technical issue, have questions about billing, or need guidance on how to use a feature, Dropbox's support team is just a few clicks away.